guys, my name is Jasmine and today I'm going to be showing you how simple it is to use the new Mistake Proof Bronzer and Blush. So let's get to it. So the first step is really important. You're going to want to make sure you shake your bottle very well so that you can get the true pigment when you go ahead and spray the product onto your brush or your sponge. So first I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and the shade that I'm taking today is called Untamed. And now I'm going to apply some blush just to add some flush of color to our skin. And I'm just taking a sponge this time, just gonna spray some of that product on there. And I'm gonna dab away the excess onto the back of my hand and just start to blend it in. And this is the final look. I love how the bronzer and blush blended in together so beautifully. It just looks like skin, and I'm so here for it. They're 100% clean beauty, vegan, and cruelty-free. So make sure to grab your Mistake Proof Bronzer and Blush and thank me later.